up everybody? Rafaelantihero. We're here at Camp Lami today. We're gonna camp overnight. It's gonna be so much fun in celebration for Valentine's Day, which is on Monday. We just decided that the weekend should be where the celebration happens.
Rain.
We had to
Do it again.
in a smaller grill, and you can see that it's already smoked on the other side, but we're not gonna take that risk again.
We're taking the risk too much.
What is up? Finally set up the tent with the help of the people who manage this place. I just want to say that I'm relieved that this is actually gonna happen. There's a threat of a rain, but whatever. Let's get it on. We're already here, so let's experience everything. Good morning everybody. Sunrise was a bust. We still got one mission, and that is to run. Let's go.